Is your parking lot costing you money? Because if it's unprotected, it probably is. Theft, fraud, unauthorized access, it all adds up. In South Africa, outdated security methods like manned gates and access cards just aren't enough anymore. Criminals are slipping through the gaps, and businesses are footing the bill. Unmonitored lots attract syndicates, lead to fuel misuse, and even drive up your insurance. And when your staff spend time chasing lost cards or blocked bays, that's productivity out of the window. That's where ANPR steps in. Automatic number plate recognition means no cards, no tailgating, and no guesswork, just verified access and airtight control. It slashes labor costs, stops fraud, and even opens up new revenue streams through dynamic pricing and VIP zones. Better still, pair it with your CCTV, firewalls, and managed IT systems to create a fully integrated, future-proof security network. Stop losing money to bad parking security. Invest in ANPR today and protect your property, your people, and your profits. Search for Daisy Business Solutions today.